Hi everyone, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. In the Fullstack development tutorial, today we are learning about the how to create timetable using HTML and CSS. What we discuss on today, how to create timetable using HTML and CSS. First of all, what do you mean by table? Table can be used to display the data in the rows and columns. Tables can be used to display data in rows and columns. Examples like student marks, employee details, price list, reports, and this type of timetables. Okay, in this tutorial, creation of table, important tags for the creation of table. Okay, first one table. Okay, table is the parent element of the creation of table, and next one tr. Tr is the tr tag can be used to create the rows of table. Okay, next one th. Th tag can be used to create the table headings. And next one td. Td tag can be used to create the table data. Okay, and next one table attributes like Rowspan and colspan. Table attributes are Rowspan and colspan can be used to create the Rowspan and colspan. How to create Rowspan and colspan? I will explain with the example. Okay. Okay. Here I am opening Visual Studio. Timetable. Timetable.html. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is the basic structure of HTML. And next here create a timetable. Okay. Here I am writing H2 tag. Timetable. Timetable creation using HTML and CSS. Okay. So next one, parent element is the table. Creation of table. Okay. Next one, rows. How many rows in the timetable? How many rows? 7 plus 1, 8. 8 rows of data. Here we are creating 8 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, next one 3, next one 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and next one 9. 9 columns. Okay. So 1, 2, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4th row, and next one 5, 6, next one 7. Okay, totally, sorry, 7 rows and 9 columns. Okay, so here I am creating 7 rows, 7 tr tags. Tr tag can be used to create the rows. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6, and 7. Okay, 7 rows. Okay, in the tr, in the first tr, we are creating table headings. Okay, so first one, th. Okay, first one is the th, date or period. Day or period. Okay, second th, in the second th, first one, break, 9:30, 9:32, 10:20. Okay, okay. Next one, second one, 10:22, 11:20. So here 9:20 to 10:20, 10:20 to 11:20, 11:30 to 12:30. Okay, 12:30 to 1 lunch. Lunch. Okay, 12 to 12:40. Okay, 12:30 to 12:30 to 1:20 lunch. Okay, so next fourth hour 1:20, 1:20 to 2:20. Okay, next 3:20, sorry, 2:20, 2:20 to 3:20. Okay, sorry. So last hour 3:30 break. Here also break 3:30, 3:30 to 4:30. Okay, so here fifth hour. Next here TH break 2:20 to 2:20 to 3:30 break. Okay, here also TH 10:30, 10:20 to 10:30. Also break, sorry, 11:20, 11:20 to 11:30. Okay, so here also 5, 6. Okay, 6 minutes. Okay, once compile this file. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, next I will create a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. Okay, in the second row, first TH Monday. Next third row, TH Monday, Tuesday, and next TH Wednesday. Okay, and next TH Thursday, and next TH Friday, and next TH Saturday. Okay, once compile this file, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sorry, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, okay. So Monday, first 3 hours, English, Maths, Chemistry. Okay, Monday. Okay, Monday, first 3 hours, TD. First one, English, ENG. Next one, English, Maths. And next one, TD. TD, English, Maths, Chemistry. Okay. So next lab, physics. Okay, next TD, lab. Okay, next lab. Okay, last hour, here workshop. Workshop, workshop. Last one, physics. Last hour, physics. Okay, once we'll compile this file. Okay, here 11:20 to 11:30 break. After max chemistry, English max, TD break. Okay, after chemistry, lunch break. Okay, lunch. Okay, next 2:22. After 2 hours of workshop, break. Okay, yeah. Okay, next I will write a CSS for this. Then I write a internal CSS style table, comma, th, comma, td. Okay, border 1px solid green. Yeah, okay. Okay, once we'll check the output. Yeah, okay. Border 1px solid green. Okay, so here I'm ready at 2 pixel. Okay, after I'm apply another property, border collapse, border collapse. Okay, okay, border collapse. Okay, and next one, Tuesday. What is the Tuesday timetable? First 3 hours, physics lab. First 3 hours, physics lab. Okay, first 3 hours, TD, PHY lab. Okay, okay. After 2 hours break, TD break. Okay, after 3 hours lunch break. Okay, and next one afternoon English, chemistry, maths. After English, sorry, English, chemistry, maths. English, chemistry. Next break, maths. Okay, once we'll check the output. Okay, this is the output. Okay, so next one, Wednesday. What is the Wednesday timetable? Maths, physics, English, TD, maths, physics, English, here break, and next one, English. Okay, okay, after lunch break, chemistry, lunch break. Okay, next one, TD, after lunch break, chemistry. Okay, next 2 hours, computer programming lab, TD, break, TD, CP lab. Yeah, okay, once we check the output. Okay, so this one is also completed. And next one, Thursday. What is the Thursday timetable? Physics, English, chemistry. Morning 3 hours. Physics, chemistry, break, and next one English, physics, English. Okay, here chemistry. Okay, after lunch, next lunch. Okay, next TD, tours, chemistry lab. Next TD break. Okay, last hour for sports. Okay, next one Friday. So Friday morning also lab. Friday morning 3 hours lab, CP lab. Okay, after 2 hours break. Okay, after next lunch. Okay, lunch. Okay, next one Friday. Maths, chemistry, English. Maths, chemistry. Next break. And last hour English. Okay, Friday also completed. Okay, Friday also completed. Next one. Um, last one Saturday. So Saturday morning. Saturday morning 3 hours English, chemistry, maths, TD, English. Next one chemistry, maths. Okay, after 2 hours break. Okay, after 3 hours lunch break. Okay, and next one TD. Last 3 hours seminar. Last 2 hours seminar. After seminar break. Okay, and last hour sports. Okay, once compile the file. Okay. Okay, first we will merge the all the columns of break. First we will merge all the columns of break. Okay, 11, 20 to 30 is common break for all the days. Okay, so okay, first merge the all the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Okay, first I will merge the 6 rows. Go to Monday. Okay, break. Okay, here I am write the Rowspan. Rowspan equal to 6. Okay, here I am apply the Rowspan is 6. Here I am try to measure the 6 rows. Here I am try to measure the 6 rows. Okay, okay, measure the 6 rows. Next I will remove the break from all the rows. Next I will remove break from all the rows. Okay, next I will apply also same the lunch also. Rowspan, Rowspan 6 also. And next one break. Here also Rowspan 6. Okay, next I am remove the lunch break and the lunch from the all the days. Okay, lunch and break also. Okay, I will remove it lunch and break all the days. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so 11:20 to 11:30 break, 10 minutes break, and afternoon 12:30 to 1:20 also lunch break, and next one 2:20 to 3:20 also break. Yeah, okay, okay. In the Monday, 4 and 5 hours also 4 and 5 hours also workshop. Okay, here I merge the columns, two columns. Okay, Here I am merge the two columns. Okay, I am go to the Monday afternoon. Okay, here I am write the colspan 2. Okay, next I will remove the another workshop. Okay, workshop. Here I am also apply the textile and center. Hello. Okay, and next Tuesday. Tuesday, first two hours physics lab. First 2 hours physics lab. Here I am measure the first two columns in Tuesday. Okay, call span 2. Okay, and next I will remove the physics lab also. Yeah, okay, physics lab. And next one, uh, Wednesday afternoon 4 and 5 hours also CP lab. Wednesday here also call span 2. Wednesday last 2 hours. Okay, no possibility. Wednesday is no possibility. Wednesday is no possibility. Okay, and next one Thursday. Thursday afternoon chemistry 2 labs, 2 hours. Okay, next Thursday afternoon chemistry lab. Here I am read the call span 2 and I will remove the chemistry lab. Okay, and next one Friday morning 2 hours CP lab. Friday morning 2 hours CP lab and Saturday afternoon 2 hours seminar lab. Okay, Friday morning 2 hours call span 2. Okay, I'll remove the CP lab. Okay, and next Saturday afternoon call span 2. Yeah, okay, seminar and CP lab. Okay, next I will change the break and lunch in vertical. Okay, here I write the text orientation, text orientation, text transform. Okay, text transform uppercase. And next one, writing mode. Okay, writing mode, vertical RL, inherit, initial. Okay, vertical RL, text orientation upright, text orientation. Okay, upright. Okay, here these three properties I am applying. These three properties I am applying here. Style. Okay, same, same for all lunch and break. Okay, Okay. So this is the process to create the timetable using Rowspan and colspan. I hope you all understand how to create the timetable using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubts or comments below the video. Thank you. Bye bye.